Anyone can run a challenge. Challenges are all about driving real results and making a positive impact on your community. You can take any course you already have and turn it into an exciting challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your passion into profit by setting it up as a paid challenge. When creating a challenge, a clear end goal is important. What does the participant want to achieve? And what is the positive impact you'd like to make? Then, turn that purpose into an idea. How can you help them achieve the end goal? For example, you want to teach more people how to invest. You can start a weekly challenge to put investing theories into action. Fitness lovers can start a 7K step per day challenge to encourage more people to prioritize their exercise. The key is to motivate your participants to take practical steps towards their goals. To make this a success, you need a tool that allows you to communicate with participants, track their progress, and even collect your payments all in one. I recommend using Monetize because it's a free app that your participants can access on the go. All the updates your participants need from you are within their reach. Plus, it's designed with features to help you scale up and promote your challenges. To start, create your community on nas.io/online challenge. Go to the Challenges tab and create a challenge. Give it a name. Upload a cover photo, and you can set it as free or paid. I recommend setting a paid challenge because it can promote more accountability for your joiners to finish what they've started. Then, set the duration of your challenge and set up checkpoints they need to accomplish, whether daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. You can upload PDFs, worksheets, or videos. Participants just need to make sure to check in when it's due. Then, you can see their progress under the Participants tab, and you can declare a winner afterwards. Your landing page will contain all the details participants need to know, and you can set this up in the Configure Sales Page section. In addition to the cover image and challenge title, you can create a customized link and a chat where everyone can interact. Monetize supports WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and more. Hit publish and your challenge is live. You now have a comprehensive landing page like this. The best thing about Monetize is, it's not only for hosting your challenge. Using Magic Reach, you can send newsletters, updates, or nudge your participants to keep them on track. You can track your growth and revenues using the Money tab, which gives you a comprehensive overview of all your earnings, discounts given, and payouts. With Monetize, you're not only creating meaningful and engaging challenges, you're also scaling up your business. Monetize opens more monetizing opportunities for you. Here you can sell your online courses, host events, and offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Just like this Walk Your First 5K challenge from Nourish with Sim community. Together, they helped beginners in their fitness and health journey by challenging them to walk 5,000 steps per day. As a reward, the winner got a free one-on-one coaching session from the Nourish Core team. Sim community used two different Monetize monetization features: the challenges and one-on-one coaching session to upsell and raise awareness about what they offer. With a little creativity, you can merge Monetize's monetization features to upsell and boost your earnings. Running an online challenge doesn't have to be stressful, especially when you can run it on autopilot with Monetize. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.